present we import approximately 500 billion euro every year on energy, approximately 200 billion on raw materials. So the key question is, what can we do within Europe to take this money and invest it into our own structures? Of course, renovation plays a very important role. We have to think how architects could be educated and specialized, and how can we get economy of scale in a renovation. The renovation, of course, is the area where we could create most of the jobs within the European Union.
We're not talking about small quantities or potential quantities here.
Our products have very key attributes, that our solutions are very flexible, they are dismountable, you can find any type of shapes or construction. So in this regard, I think our products are extremely efficient for this type of attributes. In addition, our products are recyclable, fully recyclable. We do already recycle our production waste, but also some waste from construction sites. We want to go even further to try to achieve the Commission ambition to recycle more and more of the construction.
Gypsum to Gypsum aims at the end to create in Europe a deconstruction culture, to improve the gypsum recycling process, and also to provide the conditions, both technical and economic, for diverting gypsum waste from landfills.
We believe that the construction sector, which has suffered very severely from the crisis, in many countries the construction sector was the victim of the crisis, can now become the real engine of the recovery. We have in Europe hundreds of millions of buildings which have to be renovated. We can, building on the construction sector, use the potential of the construction sector through energy efficiency, through SMEs, through skills, through standardization, to make the construction sector the leader in the recovery for growth and jobs in Europe.
Mi mensaje sería de apoyo a la vicepresidenta y decir que puede contar con nuestro sector, con el sector de la pequeña y mediana empresa, que somos el que da el 92% de la mano de obra colocada, aunque no da el 92% de facturación, pero el paro solo se quita con el apoyo a la pequeña y mediana empresa. Que tenga constancia y que tenga claridad de que sin la pequeña y mediana empresa no se puede salir de la crisis, que el elemento que tiene Europa para salir de la crisis es contando con la pequeña y mediana empresa.
Le taux de TVA à taux réduit qui est déjà pratiqué dans certains pays en Europe est très important. On a vu des résultats sur l'activité, on a vu des résultats sur globalement l'emploi dans nos différents pays, et je pense que nos députés européens doivent nous aider à pouvoir avoir des taux de TVA réduits pour la rénovation dans le secteur du bâtiment, mais pour la rénovation énergétique en particulier, de façon à ce qu'on puisse tous ensemble développer l'économie, porter l'emploi dans notre Europe.
We know that neither renovation to the level that we think is appropriate will happen, nor recycling without some regulation. Regulation needs to be the seed, it needs to be the catalyst, it needs to start the process. But what it doesn't need to do, and what it has tended to do, is it doesn't need to take over that process. We really don't want regulation to be the only driver. But how we're going to get that equation right, because for me that is the most important point. Stimulate, don't control, and I look forward to being part of that in the future.